Qybala, AI tarot card readings, is an exciting new AI software that's making waves in the digital space. And if you're curious about how it works or wondering if it's right for you, this review is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll be covering 7 crucial things you need to know about Qybala, especially if you're new to the software or considering giving it a try. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect. First things first, Qybala offers AI-powered tarot card readings, which means you can get personalized readings anytime, anywhere, with no human reader needed. Whether you're into tarot for fun or you believe in its deeper spiritual meanings, Qybala promises to make tarot more accessible through AI technology. You no longer need to visit a physical reader or even schedule an appointment. Qybala brings the tarot experience right to your screen. You can try Qybala completely free, and I've linked that opportunity in the description below. But before you jump in, let's dive into some of the features and insights that set this software apart. One of the key advantages of Qybala is its ability to analyze your personal situation and deliver relevant readings based on your specific questions. It uses advanced AI algorithms to interpret tarot cards in a way that feels personalized and intuitive. Unlike traditional tarot readings, which rely on the intuition of the reader, Qybala's AI takes all the guesswork out of the equation, ensuring a consistent and unbiased reading each time. Another interesting aspect of Qybala is the variety of tarot spreads it offers. From daily guidance spreads to more complex layouts for deeper insights, you can choose the spread that best suits your needs. It's great for beginners who might be overwhelmed by the sheer number of spreads out there, as well as for more experienced tarot users looking for something new. In terms of usability, Qybala is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean, simple, and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to dive right in. No complicated setup or learning curve, just a smooth and enjoyable experience. Another thing that stands out is the accuracy of the readings. While tarot in general is subjective, Qybala's AI has been trained on thousands of readings, and its responses are both detailed and contextually aware. The AI does a great job of interpreting the cards in a way that feels relevant to the question or issue at hand, giving you valuable insights that you might not have gotten from a traditional reading. Now, as with any new AI software, there are a few things to consider before jumping in. One downside of Qybala is that it's still in its early stages of development, so there might be occasional bugs or glitches. But if you're a tech enthusiast or someone who's comfortable with testing out new AI tools, this won't be a huge deal. It's also worth noting that while Qybala offers a free trial, some of the advanced features are behind a paywall. However, the basic features are more than enough for most users. And if you're just starting out with tarot, you can get plenty of value without paying a cent. To sum it all up, Qybala. AI tarot card readings is an intriguing new software that blends technology with tradition, bringing tarot to the digital age. If you're looking for a fresh, convenient way to explore tarot readings with the help of AI, it's worth giving it a try. As I mentioned earlier, you can try Qybala completely free through the first link below. And if you're someone who's into exploring new AI software, make sure to check out the description for my top recommended AI tools after testing thousands of them. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to check out more in-depth software insights in the links below.